Alright, so this is an example of the subtraction questions, and it is similar to that of the addition. So our first step, identify our known and our unknown. So always remember the numbers that are present are our known values. Alright, so we have our known and we have our unknown. Alright, so our next step is to write down our unknown, keeping it on one side. So if it is positive, we'll put it down and then we'll group our known values. So we're going to have our unknown on one side and our known values on one side. So we have -7 here, and the only way to get rid of it is to add 7. So we can use our number line again. So our -7 would be over here. Our aim is to reach to 0. So our aim is to have this staying by itself. So when this is by itself, it means that whatever is here is 0. Alright, so we have -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and our 0. Alright, so when we're adding, we go that way. When we're subtracting, we go the other way. So since we have -7 and we want it to reach the 0, that means we're gonna have to add. So let's see how much we need to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to add 7 in order to get to 0. So you can write it down here. Alright, and you can separate this using a little bracket here. Alright, so now we'll have this, and this down here is 0. So you don't have to write it back, and then you just put back our 3 here. But remember, anything you do on one side, you're gonna have to do it on the next. So you add 7. So now we have found out that our number here is 10. And you can always verify. Our known is now known to be 10. So let's verify. We got 10 here. So write back the equation. -7 is 3. We got this to be equal 10, where 10 from 7 equal 3. So if you realize, this worked out to be just like what we were starting here. So it is now proven that this is 10. So we can always use our number line to verify, and remember, when we're subtracting, we go that way. When we're adding, we go that way. All right.